The odds of you simply existing are 1 in 400 trillion. That's nearly impossible. Now, I know that seems like pressure, and I'm not trying to freak you out, but with a chance like that, I would hope you wouldn't waste the incredibly improbable opportunity that is life. You may now be experiencing intrusive thoughts about life's purpose, your purpose. What am I doing here? What is the point in all of this? How do I make a meaning out of this precious life that I've been granted? The answer to these questions is by contributing to progress. The definition of progress is not easily explained or perceived. It is non-linear and difficult to measure, but we can start by explaining it with you. Me. All humans. We've constructed this concept of progress, and it is often misconstrued. It is not a step-by-step development plan to get you to the end destination. Sometimes progress is 2 steps backwards in order to reevaluate. It can be improvise, compromise, taking in every side to every situation and finding the best possible outcome. And not just the best possible outcome for you, but for the greater good, for the environment, for the oceans, the ground we walk on, the insects, to the mammals. Now, what has caused this misunderstanding of what progress is? What has led us to believe that progress is reflected in the means of our gross domestic product, the kind of house we buy, or what college our children attend? It all comes down to disconnection. Humans want to believe we are separate from our own planet. Maybe this is a way to justify the way we treat it. It's for us to use, right? Wrong. We went through an evolution cycle just like everything else on this earth. We are made up of living things, bacteria and cells, and water, lots and lots of water. It's not a coincidence that swimming in the ocean feels like home, or flying feels like we were made to be in the sky. We are all made of air and water. We are meant to connect to one another and to everything around us. When we think of ourselves as part of this world, not its rulers, progress becomes simple. Once we let go of our human constructs, such as time and materialism, you can feel yourself become lighter, more purposeful, because connection is the key to progress. Connection between you and I, connection between us and Earth. And it is our duty to change this narrative about what progress is. Because if we are 1 in 400 trillion, we better make it count. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed individuals can change the world. In fact, it is the only thing that ever has.
Yeah.